Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about letter and number decoding. First, for solving these kind of problems, always start by writing all the alphabets in your paper. Consider this example. If in a certain language Madras is coded as NBESBT, how is Bombay coded in that code? Your options are given below. Now, let's look at this word Madras. M is coded as N. So look at this letter. M is coded as N. A is coded as B. A is coded as B. And D is coded as E. Now you have found that all the corresponding letter are substituted with the next letter. So let us confirm it. R is coded as S. R is coded as yes. Yes. So now let's look at this how Bombay gets coded. Bombay has 6 letters and B first is B. For B we are replacing it with C. For O we are replacing it with P and so on. So have you found the answer? Option B is the answer. Yes, very easy, right? Let us look at the second example. In a certain code, triple is written as SQHOOKD. How is dispose written in that code? Solve it by yourself. See, look at this. In this, T is coded as S. Take another color. T is coded as S. R is coded as Q. So you have found that all the letters are replaced with the previous letter. So for dispose, you are replacing all the letters of this word with the previous letter. For D, you will be replacing it with a C, and this is the only option which has C at the first. So you are selecting that as the answer. Let us move on to the next type. Consider this example. In a certain code, computer is written as RFUVQNPC. How is medicine written in the same code? Consider this word computer. The first letter and the last letter are written as it is but in the reversed order. For the second letter O, it is replaced with P, which is the next letter of O. And the third letter M is replaced with N, which is the next letter. Now in the language, you have found that the first letter and the last letter are written as it is but in the reversed order. The whole word is reversed but replaced with the next letter in this language. Let us look at this solution. So for medicine, the option should start with E and end with M. These two are the options that are starting with E and ending with M. Now let us decode further. For the second letter E, it should be replaced with the next letter F and returned from the second last. It is returned here. And for the third letter D, it should be replaced with the next letter E. In this option, we have the third last letter as E. But here, J is the third last letter. So, your answer will be option A. Pause this video and solve this fourth example. Now let us look at the solution for this example. The correct answer is option B. Now let us decode this. In a certain language, gamble is coded as FBLCKF. How is flower coded in that code? See, in this word, G is coded as F. G is replaced with the previous letter. A is coded as B. A is replaced with the next letter. The first letter is replaced with the previous letter and the next letter is replaced with the next letter. And in such way, this language codes. So for flower, the first letter F should be coded with the previous letter. It should be coded with E. For the second letter L, it should be coded with the next letter. L should be coded with M. And this is the only option that has E as first letter and M as second letter. So we are choosing this option. At the next type, number decoding. Look at this example. If Delhi is coded as 73541 and Calcutta is coded as 82589662, how can Calicut be coded? See, look, in this type, each letter of this word is coded with a specific number, and for this word it is coded with another specific number. From these two words we have to find this third given word. Come, let's find out. C is coded with 8. A is coded with 2. And for L, you can take from Delhi. L is coded with 5. I is coded with 1. Likewise, if you do so, you'll be getting option C as the answer. Look at this example. Solve it by yourself by passing this video. By solving this problem in the same type, you'll be getting the answer as A. Now let us look at the second type, substitution. Look at this example. If white is called blue, blue is called red, and so on. For solving these type of problems, just jump into this last question. What would be the color of the human blood? You'll be knowing that the color of the human blood is red. How red is substituted? Red is called as yellow. So your answer is yellow. Solve the second example by yourself. If room is called bed and bed is called window and so on, what would a man sleep? A man sleep on the bed. A bed is called as a window. So the answer is window. Thank you for watching.